Hey, what's going on, guys? So today's the day to debadge the Tacoma. We've had rain nonstop. It's actually supposed to be another thunder shower today, but the sun poked out here and I'm rolling the dice on having enough time to do this. So anyway, here's where the emblem was. Right. So I just want to make a video real quick. I mean, there's a million videos on how to debadge your vehicles and stuff. Once you heat it up, and I am using a heat gun. Oh, my little stool wants to roll away on me. All right, there we go. So, you know, hit it with a heat gun, not too much, just enough to soften the glue. But when I took this off, when I've done this before, like on the 200 and other vehicles, most of the foam, because it's really like double-sided tape, but it's like squishy foam. It has a little bit of give. Most of that was on the actual emblem, whereas this, the emblem popped off and it's mostly on the vehicle. But it's actually not that hard to get off. Hold on a second. So I got some shop towels here, which I don't really need. The heat gun, which is great, but you got to use it on low from a distance. Some fishing line to get behind the emblem. All right, a scraper just in case, but don't want to do that. And then some Goo Gone if we need it. But I'm finding with this, it's really easy just to roll it off. So we're at the C for Tacoma. You get your thumb, and this is dry, completely dry. Literally rubbing it, and it's getting most of that off. All right, so when I come back, any little residue that's here can probably wiped off paper towel, but I'm going to use the Goo Gone just to make it easier. But yeah, it's really straightforward. When I get to the next emblem, I'll show you more of the process. But again, I mean, this is one of probably 800 videos on people taking their badge off. I mean, they've been doing it for literally years. Anyway, I'm going to finish this up here. I know a lot of times people get these Tacomas, if they don't like the chrome, they will probably just use that blackout kit. So you can buy these emblems that are black, and they almost look like caps. It's like a cap for a tooth, and you literally put the black one over the existing one, and that's it. 2 seconds, done, and they're black. But I figured I'd do something different and take them off. I like the cleaner look, but also it's just, I don't know, it's not necessary. I know what it is, you know what it is. Anyone driving down the road and sees me, if they don't know what it is, then oh well, I guess. It is embossed massive on the tailgate, so you can't miss it anyway. So I just don't think it's necessary, so I'm taking it all off. All right, I'm back, and I was going to use a little bit of the Goo Gone, but the sprayer is broken. I don't know why I'm getting no pressure at all. There's a little thing like turn on and off, and I think internally that's broken. I don't know what's going on with that, so I just put a little bit on some shop towel here. All right, so let's get up close so you can see some of the residue that's still on there. It's not going to take much to get this off at all. It'd be a lot easier to spray it on, sure. But the physical foam and stuff is off. Now it's just a little bit of the residue. Okay, now we're moving back here. On this particular model, I have the V6 emblem that's on the tailgate here. So I got the heat gun. We're going to go on low to start warming this emblem up. What we're trying to do is really just soften the glue a little bit so it's a little easier to get off. That's all. Just keep it moving. Every now and again, just kind of feel it. When it's too hot to touch, it's pretty much there. Okay, we're there. So obviously you could do this with a hairdryer as well. So then we have our, in this case, fishing line. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this around one hand, and you can do this with dental floss as well. All right, and this is just going to get behind this entire plastic emblem and cut into the tape. It's really that simple. Now you can go all the way through, but I'm just gonna pull the rest off. And there you go. So in this case, the entire emblem is clean. All right, and I am going to save these, just, you know, because it's a brand new truck, why not? Who knows? But yeah, here is our residue. So we have our kind of foamy type, I don't know, it's like, maybe not foam, more of a rubbery type glue. So that's it. I'm using my thumb here, pushing from the edge. And the glue kind of sticks on itself. You can see that already working here. Let me give you a closer shot. Just in case you haven't done this before, it's really easy. And of course you can put your own emblems on there as well if you really wanted to. Like this doesn't have a 4x4, let's say. If that is something that impresses you, you can buy one online and stick it on your truck or your car or whatever. So the point here is we're trying to get this off without damaging our clear coat. So just rubbing like this is the easiest possible way. Like I said, this little residue that's left, that's where you can hit the you know, Goo Gone with, or goof off, or lighter fluid, or whatever you want. It's really that easy, and that's it. It's really that simple. So I'm gonna go on the other side, do the other Tacoma emblem, and then we're done. That's it. And then this truck's gonna get a little car wash because it's gonna rain again. Okay, all done just in time for the rain. No more badges. And by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I did take off the decals on both sides too that said TRD off-road. Again, not looking to advertise it. I know what the truck is capable of, but now it's pretty sterile. So that's about it. There's the badges. It's raining now, so I'm going inside. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.